Welcome to Fushimi Momoyama, a lively and super convenient part of Kyoto. It's easily accessible, just a short walk from Fushimi Momoyama Station and Momoyama Gokonomiya Station. The area is filled with traditional shopping streets and local Kyoto vibes. You'll find plenty of food options, from street snacks to cozy cafes. With supermarkets, convenience stores, and everyday shops, everything you need is close by. There are pharmacies and services that make daily life really comfortable. Fushimi is also known as Kyoto's sake village, home to historic breweries and famous pure water. You can even visit the Gekkeikan sake museum right here in the neighborhood. And just a few minutes away, Gokonomiya Shrine offers a quiet escape with beautiful traditional details. Fushimi is safe, calm, and full of charm. If you want to live or work in Kyoto, follow ColiveKyoto for the information you need.